Versatile Infotainment provides thousands of informative videos of our viewers. If you want more informative videos, please like and subscribe our channel. So let's go our topic.
A member of the British royal family, Prince William is worth a cool $100 million. The eldest child of King Charles and the late Diana, Princess of Wales, is Prince William. The third oldest grandchild of Queen Elizabeth II and Prince Philip, the Duke of Edinburgh, is Prince William. Prince Harry is the younger of his brothers. He had been known as Prince William, Duke of Cambridge, before his grandmother passed. William took the throne from his father and was crowned Prince of Wales. June 21, 1981 was Prince William Arthur Philip Louis's birthday. Since Prince John's birth in 1905, he was the first child to be born to a Prince and Princess of Wales. William's parents dubbed him Wombat with affection. He met Kate Middleton, his future wife, while attending the University of St. Andrews in Scotland. After 44 weeks of training as an officer cadet, he was commissioned into the Blues and Royals Regiment in December 2006. After completing his pilot training in April 2008, he enrolled in helicopter pilot training. He started flying full-time for the RAF Search and Rescue Force in early 2009. Up to September 2013, he was a member of the British Armed Forces. William was the second in line for the throne during the most of his first 40 years of life. Prince William ascended to the throne after his father in September 2022, following the demise of his grandmother, Queen Elizabeth. In theory, he is the heir apparent to the thrones of the Commonwealth realms, a group of 16 autonomous sovereign republics. These states are St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Belize, Antigua and Barbuda, St. Kitts and Nevis, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Jamaica, Barbados, the Bahamas, Grenada, Papua New Guinea, the Solomon Islands, Tuvalu and so on. In turn, he is second only to his father for the title of Head of the Commonwealth, which serves as the symbolic head of the 54-nation Commonwealth of Nations, and exclusively in England, the title of Supreme Governor of the Church of England. The majority of Prince William's wealth came from a trust fund that he inherited from his late mother, even before his father became king. William immediately acquired the Duchy of Cornwall, a billion-dollar real estate holding, when Charles ascended to the throne in September 22. For the person next in line for the throne, the Duchy of Cornwall provides $20 to $30 million in personal income annually. Later in this piece, there will be more information on this property trust and his inheritance. Following the death of their great-grandmother in 2002, William and Harry also earned several $1 million each. William's father Charles typically pays William's travel, security, and secretarial costs with an annual budget of about $4 million. Childhood. On June 21, 1982, William Arthur Philip Louis was born in London's St. Mary's Hospital. There are no last names for members of the royal family. On August 4, 1982, Robert Runcie, the Archbishop of Canterbury at the time, performed his baptism in the music room of Buckingham Palace. That was also the 82nd birthday of Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother, his paternal great-grandmother. William's paternal cousin, the late King Constantine II of Greece, Princess Alexandra, the Duchess of Westminster, Lyon, Mrs. Angus Ogilvy, his paternal cousin, Lady Susan Hussey, Lord Romsey, and Sir Lawrence van der Post are his godparents. In 1992, Prince Harry's parents were divorced. In 1996, their divorce was finally formalized. The next year, Princess Diana met her untimely end in a Parisian auto accident. William was first schooled at private schools before later resuming his studies at Eton College, where he was enrolled alongside Diana's brother and father. William's decision to attend Eton went against the royal family's custom of sending their children to Gordonstoun for their education. He received his education in the UK at 4 different schools and graduated from the University of St. Andrews. Military profession. Alongside his brother, Prince Harry, Prince William served as a lieutenant in the Household Cavalry's Blues and Royals unit. After completing pilot training at Royal Air Force College, Cornwall, in just 2 years, he was awarded his wings. After that, he was sent to the Royal Air Force, where he trained to fly helicopters and advanced to the rank of flight lieutenant, enabling him to join the Search and Rescue Force as a full-time pilot. He finished his helicopter training, both general and specialty type, in the fall of 2010. Later, he served as a co-pilot on a Sea King search and rescue helicopter with the No. 22 Squadron at Rah Valley. Individual life. The longtime girlfriend of Prince William, Kate Middleton, who is now the Duchess of Cambridge, was married in Westminster Abbey on April 29, 2011. Prince William received the titles Duke of Cambridge, Earl of Strathallan, Diana Trust. Charles gave Diana a $24 million settlement after their divorce. That, after accounting for inflation, is equivalent to about $40 million in today's dollars. Following her passing, the funds were placed in a trust so that William and Harry would receive them on their respective 25th birthdays. The trust had grown to such an extent by the time they were both 30 that each son ended up inheriting $20 million. The great majority of Harry and William's individual net worths are comprised of that trust. Cornwall's Duchy. The Duchy of Cornwall is inherited by the current monarch's eldest child in accordance with British royal law. The Crown Prince can make a good living while he waits to take the kingdom thanks to this title, which is basically a sizable real estate portfolio. Edward III created the Duchy in 1337 as a source of wealth for the Prince Presumptive. William automatically became the Prince of Wales and the recipient of the Cornwall Trust when Charles ascended to the throne in September 2022. George, William's son, will inherit the trust upon his father's coronation, and so forth. Since the trust is regarded by the British government as a crown body, its revenue is exempt from taxation. Since 1993, Prince Charles has voluntarily paid taxes on the income due to multiple challenges to the tax-exempt status. For almost 10 years, he voluntarily paid an income tax rate of 50%. After getting married in 1991, he started paying 25%. He's been paying the annual ordinary UK income tax rate since 1993. The Duchy employs more than 150 people and has 133,000 acres of land spread over 23 counties in the United Kingdom. Farming, residential building, and commercial real estate are the uses of the land. The land is currently estimated to be worth $1.3 billion. The trust generates slightly over $20 million in after-tax profits on $40 to $50 million in gross sales annually on average. The income has exceeded $30 million in certain years.